Hi everyone, this is RJ Enseñado and welcome back to my channel, GTR Math Tutorial. So in today's video, I will discuss another set of age problem. So may mga nakita akong nagpapasolve ng age problems sa FB group. So try natin isolve itong apat na numbers nito. So ito yung mga questions. Okay, so number one, so a sofa is 12 years old and a table is 36 years old. So in how many years will the table be twice as old as the sofa? Okay, so in solving age problem, doon sa mga nauna kong video, so para mas madali, gagawa tayo ng table. So nang given natin, sa number 1 ay, so given yung sofa and table. Okay, so sofa, so we have table. So ang tinatanong ay, in how many years will the table be twice as old as the sofa? So given ang age now nung sofa and table, so a sofa is 12 years old and a table is 36 years old. So lagay lang natin yung given sa now. So sofa is 12 years old and table is 36 years old. So ang question, in how many years will the table be twice as old as the sofa? So hindi natin alam kung ilang taon daw. So ilang taon, so lalagay natin pwedeng kahit anong variable, so pwedeng x, t, a, b, c, or so lagay natin t years from now. Okay, so t years from now, hindi natin alam kung ilan. So lagay natin t. So t ang ginamit ko for time. So t years from now, syempre yung 12 madadagdagan ng t. So we have, ang expression natin sa t years from now is 12 plus t, or t plus 12 pag binaligtad natin. Then for table is 36 plus t. So dito sa column na to tayo gagawa ng expression. So base sa dun sa ating question, in how many years will the table be twice as old as the sofa? So ang table daw, so in how many years will the table be twice as old as the sofa? So pagsulat nun, word by word ang pagsusulat kasi ng ng pagta-translate ng mathematical na nung sentence sa mathematical statement, word by word lang yan. So in how many years will the table? So ito yung table. So in how many years will the table? So ito yun, table, be twice as old. So yung table daw, so we have 36 plus t, yung table will be, so will be that is equals, will be twice as old as the sofa. Twice as old as the sofa. So twice times 2. So twice as old as the sofa, so we have 2 times 12 plus t. Okay? So yan ang ating equation. So, ganun lang. So, in how many years will the table be twice as old as the sofa? Okay? So, word by word yun. So, yun yung ating magiging equation. Then, just solve for t. So, t is the t years from now. So, magiging twice as old daw siya. Okay, so just solve for t. So, just distribute this. Distribute 2 to 12 and t. So, we have, i-write lang natin yung 36 plus t equals 2 times 12, so that is equal to 24. Plus 2 times t, so that is equal to 2t. Then, pagsamahin natin yung t sa isang side lang. So, we have, in technique, meron tayong positive t and positive 2t. Dadalhin natin yung t dun sa, dahil parehas positive, dalhin natin itong t dito sa kabila. So, subtract t to both sides. So, mawawala na to. So, just copy the rest. So, we have 36 equals 24. Muga. 24, 2t minus t. So, that is equal to positive t. Okay? 2t, may 1 to. So, 2 minus 1. So, that is 1t na lang. Or simply t. Then, tanggalin yung 24. So, lipat sa kabila. So, subtract 24 to both sides. Subtract 24 to both sides. So, wala na to. 36 minus 24. So, that is equal to 12. So, therefore, ang sagot na natin ay t is equal to 12. So, in 12 years, magiging twice as old na sila. Okay, so, check natin ha. Ang titaw natin ay 12 years. So, i-add lang natin ha. 12 plus 12. So, checking to ha. 12 plus 12, tsaka 36 plus 12. So, 12 plus 12, so 3 years from now, ito ay 24 na. And then, 36 plus 12, so ang table ay 48 na. Ayun, sakto. Di ba sakto? Ang table daw ay twice as old as the sofa. So, when we multiply 24 by 2, the answer is 48. Okay? So, sakto. Ang tamang sagot ay 12. Okay? So, next, number 2. So, number 2, ayan. So, a pewter bowl is 8 years old, and a silver bowl is 22 years old. So, parang parehas din na to. In how many years will the silver bowl be twice the age of the pewter bowl? So, parehas din. Parehas na parehas. So, ulitin lang natin itong process na ito. So, lagay lang natin yung given. Dito ako sa kabila para makita nyo mabuti. So, we have, tingin natin to. Pagka-share na natin dyan ang solution. So, we have pewter bowl, and then we have silver. So, ang question ay, in how many years will the silver bowl be twice the age of the pewter bowl? So, ganito pa rin. So, now, ilang taon na now? So, pewter bowl is 8 years. 8 years daw to, 8 years old, and a silver bowl is 22 years old. So, ganun pa rin. So, 3 years from now pa rin ito. 3 years from now. So, therefore, the expression is 8 plus t or t plus 8. Parehas lang naman yan. No? So, unahin na nga natin yung t. T plus 8, parehas lang yan. So, 22 plus t or t plus 22. Okay, so, kagaya rin neto, kagaya din na to, so, yung expression natin, in how many years will the silver bowl? So, in how many years will the silver bowl? So, yun yung t plus 22. So, t plus 22. So, in how many years will the silver bowl be? So, yun yung equals, be twice. Ibig sabihin, multiply by 2. Twice as old will be twice the age of the pewter bowl. Okay? So, yun ang pagta-translate niya. Word by word. So, we have t plus 8. Then, kagaya nung kanina, just solve for t. So, parehas na parehas ng solution nito. So, distribute lang natin yung 2. So, we have t plus 22 equals 2 times t. We have 2t. 2 times 8, we have positive 16. So, combine t and 2t. So, subtract t to both sides. May 1 yan. So, this is will become 0. So, we have 22 equals 2t minus t. So, that is positive t plus 16. Then, yung 16, lipat sa kabila. So, subtract 16 to both sides para mawala siya dito. So, therefore, 22 minus 16. So, the answer is 22 minus 16. So, that is 6. So, therefore, the answer is 6 years. So, in 6 years, magiging twice as old na siya. Okay, checking. So, we have 8 plus 6, and then 22 plus 6, tingnan natin kung twice as old na siya. 8 plus 6, so that is equal to 14. Okay? And then 22 plus 6, that is equal to 28. Okay, eksakto, di ba? So, in 6 years, the silver bowl is equal to 2 times the pewter bowl. Okay? So, na-check na natin. So, tama yung answer natin. Time is 6 years. Okay, so, next, number 3. So, John is twice as old as his friend Peter. Peter is 5 years older than Alice. So, in 5 years, John will be 3 times as old as Alice. How old is Peter now? Okay, so again, gawa tayo ng table. Tatlo yung character natin dito. So, we have John, Peter, and Alice. Okay, so hindi nawawala. Nabanggit sa problem yung now. So, gawin muna natin yung expression para kay John, Peter, and Alice. So, first sentence natin or statement, John is twice as old as his friend Peter. So, si John, 2 times daw ng kanyang friend na si Peter. So, therefore, si Peter ay X, tapos si John ay 2X. Dahil si John ay 2 times, twice as old as Peter. Okay? So, mas madali, ang gagawin nating X ay si Peter para si John ay 2X. Kasi pag ang ginawa nating X ay si John, para i-express si Peter, magiging 1/2 X. Nagkakaroon tayo ng fraction. Kaya, ang pinakamaganda gagawin natin X ay si Peter. Okay? Tapos si John ang 2X. Pero pwede rin yung kanina. So, gagawin yung X to 1/2 X. Mapapahirap na rin yung solution. Siyempre, gusto natin mas madaling solution, di ba? Then, next, Peter is 5 years older than Alice. So, si Peter daw, 5 years older than Alice. Okay? So, mas matanda ng 5 years si Peter kay Alice. So, therefore, ang expression kay Alice ay X minus 5. Okay? So, dahil mas matanda nga si Peter, kaya magsasubtract tayo ng 5 kay Alice. So, madalas dito may nagkakamali kung doon sa expression, nagiging plus. Okay, so pag nagkamali kayo sa expression, mali na yan. Kahit maging tama yung equation nyo, mali na magiging solution nyo pag maling expression. So, ito yung pinaka-importanting part sa age problem. Okay, so, so meron tayo ditong given in 5 years. So, therefore, we have 5 years from now. Okay? So, 5 years from now. So, 5 years from now, ibig sabihin, magdadagdag lang tayo ng tigpa 5 sa age ni John, ni Peter, at ni Alice now. Okay, so add lang tayo ng 5. So, we have 2x plus 5. Then, we have x plus 5 kay Peter. And then, si Alice, x minus 5, mag-add tayo ng 5. So, we have x minus 5, in-enclose lang natin sa parenthesis, plus 5 equals, simplify, negative 5 plus 5, so magiging x na lang ito. Okay? So, ito na yung expression natin, 2x plus 5, x plus 5, and x. So, ngayon, buuin na natin ang equation natin. So, again, word by word ang gagawin natin, ha? So, sabi sa last statement natin, in 5 years, so in 5 years daw, so ibig sabihin sa column na ito, John will be. So, John daw. Ito si John. So, si John ay 2x plus 5. Ang ibig sabihin ng will be equal sign. Okay? So, John will be 3 times. And ito times natin sa 3. 3 times as old as Alice. Nasaan si Alice? Si Alice ay x. And 3 times Alice, age ni Alice, and 3x. Okay? So, yan ang ating equation. So, just solve for x. Madali na lang yung equation natin, no? Just solve for x, combine 2x and 3x. Parehas positive, dali natin sa mas malaki para positive pa rin siya. So, subtract 2x to both sides. At tapos na agad. Therefore, 5 is equal to 3x minus 2x. So, that will give us x. So, tapos na. Ang age ni Peter ay 5. Okay? Tapos na. Checking natin kung si Peter daw ay 5 today. Si John, twice ni Peter. So, si John now ay 10. Alice, x minus 5. So, therefore, si Alice, hindi pa pinapanganak nito, no? So, dahil 5 years older, 0 pa lang siya. Okay? So, bago pa lang siya ipapanganak siguro niya. So, tapos, 5 years from now, add tayo ng tigpa 5 dito. So, yung 10 magiging 15. Si Peter magiging 10. Si Alice, syempre, 5 na siya. Okay? Sakto yung sagot natin. So, sabi, in 3 years or in 5 years, eto si John, 15, is 3 times as old as Alice. Di ba? Si Alice ay 5. So, 5 times 3, 15. Okay, so tama yung sagot natin. Ang age ni Peter now ay 5. Okay? So, yung next natin, number 4, Bianca's age. So, ito yung question. I-ano ko lang, ha? So, may typo kasi dito siguro, kaya wala kasing sagot dito. So, ipakita natin na wala yung tamang sagot dito. So, sa number 4, Bianca's age is 11, more than twice Sheila's age. 7 years ago, the sum of their ages was 29. How old is Bianca in the current year? So, okay sana tong problem na to, maganda. Kaso, nung sinolve ko, wala yung sagot. So, pakita natin kung paano isolve ang ganitong problem. Kasi, nung sinolve ko to, ang naging sagot ay fraction. So, siguro may typo sa problem siguro. So, papakita ko na lang kung paano kung paano ito isosolve. So, siguro mali lang yung isang number dyan. Kaya kahit anong gawin natin, trial and error, o kahit itry natin ang mga given na choices sa magiging equation natin, walang tatama eh. So, Bianca's age is 11, more than twice Sheila's age. 7 years ago, the sum of their ages was 29. How old is Bianca in the current year? So, lagyan natin Bianca and Sheila. So, hindi natin alam ang kanilang age now. Hindi natin alam pareha. So, lalagay lang natin X and Y. Tapos, 7 years ago. So, 7 years ago. 7 years ago, so subtract lang tayo ng tig 7 sa kanila dahil 7 years ago. X minus 7, Y minus 7. Ang total daw nila, 7 years ago, the sum of their ages was 29. Okay? So, how old is Bianca in the current year? Okay, so buuin natin yung dalawang equation natin. So, isa-isahin natin dito. Bianca's age. So, pag nagka-translate tayo sa mathematical sentence, word by word yan. Bianca's age. Ano ang Bianca's age? X. Is means equals. 11. Lagi 11. More than is plus. Twice Sheila's age. So, twice times 2. Sheila's age, yan, 2y. So, ito ang ating equation number 1. Okay? So, yan ang equation number 1 natin. Equation number 2. X minus 7. X minus 7 agad ako. 7 years ago. So, ito yung 7 years ago. Itong column na to. The sum of their ages was 29. So, i-add lang natin itong dalawang expression na to equals sa 29. So, therefore, equation number 2 is X minus 7. Pwede natin lagyan ng parenthesis para lang malinaw, pero okay lang din naman na wala. Equals 29. That is equation number 2. So, yan ay isi-solve natin. Na pwede natin i-solve by substitution. Okay, so pakita natin na wala yung tamang sagot dito eh. So, by substitution lang ito kasi x is equal to 11 plus 2y. Ito daw yung value ng x. Ang value ng x is 11 plus 2y. Ipapalit natin dito. Okay? So, x is equals to 11 plus 2y. Substitute natin sa x. So, palitan natin itong x ng 11 plus 2y. So, we have 11 plus 2y. Then, just copy yung minus 7. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis para malinaw. Y minus 7 equals 29. Okay, so ito na yung working equation natin. So, simplify lang natin. Combine natin si 11 and negative 7. That is equal to, so we have 2y, 11 minus 7. So, that is equal to, ilan yun? 11 minus 7. So, that is positive 4. Plus y minus 7 equals 29. Okay, so combine like terms 2y plus y, so that is 3y. So next, 4 minus 7, so negative yun, no? So 4 minus 7, that is negative 3 equals 29. Okay? Hindi divisible by 3 eh. So pagsamahin to, so add 3 to both sides. Add 3 to both sides, mawawala na to. 3y is equal to 29 plus 3, that is equal to 32. Then last step, divide both sides by 3. So therefore, y is equal to, hindi siya eksakto. So pag ganyang age problem, kailangan eksakto. So pag dinivide natin, 32 divided by 3, that is equal to 10 and 2/3. Okay? So ang age ay 10 and 2/3. So hindi eksakto. Kaya, wala yung tamang sagot. So, ang nasa choices, 27, 29, 33, 35. O, i-check natin isa-isa. Para maano natin na kahit alin dyan sa apat, hindi sasakto eh. So, try muna natin si 27. Kung 27, ang age ni, age ni Bianca, so kung ito ay 27, trial and error tayo. Kung ito ay 27, 7 years ago, siya ay 20. Minus 7, ano? Tapos, ito ay 29 ang sum nila. So, therefore, ito ay 9. Okay? So, ito ay 9. Now, so, 7 years ago daw ay 9. So, 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. So, ito ay magiging 16. Okay, so sakto na to, no? 20 plus 9, 29. So 9 plus 7, 16. O, tingnan natin kung masasatisfy na to. Kung 27 ay equal sa 11 plus 2 times 16. Sakto ba yan? Hindi, no? 2 times 16, 32 na agad. Plus 11, o sablay na agad. 11 more than twice. So, hindi pwedeng 27. O, try naman natin si 29. Trial and error tayo. Parang hindi pwede si 29. Hindi pwede si 29 dito. Kasi kung ito ay 29, ay hindi, magmaminus pa pala ng 7. Ano? So, kung ito ay 29, minus 7, magiging siyang 22. Tama? 29, 22. So, kung ito ay 22, ito ay 29, ito ay 7. So, 7 years ago, 7 plus 7, 14. So, try natin kung mag-exacto dito. Palitan natin to. Palitan natin ha. So, 29 equals 11 plus 2 times ito no, 14. So, 14 times 2, 28 na ito. Plus 11, oh, hindi rin sakto. So, we have next 33. Try ulit natin. Trial and error. Walang sumasakto talaga eh. So, we have, kung ito ay 33, so we have 33 minus 7, so that will give us 26. Kung ito ay 29, so syempre 26 plus 3 is 29. Tapos 3 plus 7 is 10. So, tingnan natin kung sasakto na. Ang 33 ba ay equal sa 11 more than twice ng 10? Hindi pa rin. 2 times 10 is 20. Plus 11, 31. Hindi pa rin equal. Okay? So, hindi pa rin pwede ito. So, last na lang. Kasi kung nagpapalit tayo sa solution, yung nahulog. So, kung 35, so we have 35 minus 7, so that is equal to 28. Kung 28, 29 naman total nila, edi 1 na lang to. 1, balik natin dito, now plus 7, edi 8. So, parang ang layo pa rin. 35 is equal to 11 more than twice ng 8. So, wala pa rin, no? So, we have 11, ito ay 16 eh, no? 11 plus 16. So, ang layo ng sagot, 27 not equal to 35. Okay? So, tama yung solution natin. 10 and 2/3 talaga. Wala nang iba, kundi 10 and 2/3. So, kung 10 and 2/3, kailangan 32 over 3, magiging fraction talaga yung masasolve natin na value ng x. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung pinakamalapit. Hindi, nag-akalam ito kung sa atin dito. Okay, so, pag tinry nga natin dito, we have x is equal to 11 plus 2 times 32 over 3. Ito lang yung pwedeng maging sagot eh. Kaso, layo talaga eh. 11 plus 2 times 32, so that is 64 over 3. Pag inad natin yan, lagyan natin ito ng over 1, tapos cross multiply. So, multiply din dito. So, magiging sagot ay 11 times 3, 33, plus 64 over 3. So, ano magiging sagot dyan? 33 plus 64, so that is 6 plus 3, 9, 3 plus 4, 7, 97 over 3. So, 97 over 3, ilan yan? 9 divided by 3 ay 3. 7 divided by 3, that is 2. So, 32 and 1/3 ng age ni Bianca. So, ang pinakamalapit yung 33, ano? 33. Pero, siguro may typo dun sa question. Sayang, maganda pa naman. So, siguro itong 29, pwede 28 lang ito. Kasi kapag naging 28 ito, 28 plus 3, 27 siguro. Kung naging 27 ito, 27 plus 3, magiging 30. 30 divided by 3, 10 na lang siya. So, kung naging 10 ito, may sagot, no? Nasa choices kaya kung naging 10 ang y. Try natin kung naging 10 ang y. Kung naging 10 yung y, tingnan natin kung nasa choices yung answer. So, x is equal to 11 more than twice ng 10. Wala pa rin eh, no? So, 2 times 10, nasolve na nga pala natin ito, no? 2 times 10 ay 20 plus 11, 31. So, wala pa rin sa choices yung 31 eh. Okay? So, kaya pala walang sagot dun sa nag-post sa FB group. Walang sagot dito sa problem na pinost mo dahil mali yung given siguro, may typo. Ang nasolve natin, may answer naman, kaso pag age problem dapat eksakto. So hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng ganyang problem sa age problem, lalo na nalalabas sa civil service or sa LET or sa entrance test na may fraction ng age problem. Okay? So yan, so pinakita lang natin na sorry, walang sagot doon. Maganda pa naman sana yung problem dahil to unknown. So kapag meron tayong ganyan problem, to unknowns, ganito yung way ng pagsasolve. Okay, so that's all. So sana may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. So kung meron man, sana paki-like, share, and magkakalimutan mag-subscribe. Lalo na kung ito yung first time niyo sa video sa channel na ito, magkakalimutan mag-subscribe. Okay? Thank you and bye-bye.